Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick review of the 6mmProShop Mechanical Airsoft Grenade. I picked this up from e-bike because it was only $15, and I thought, let's go ahead and give it a shot. It's a lot cheaper than some of the other options out there. So in case you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the grenade. It's kind of big compared to the cyclone grenades. It's made entirely out of plastic. What's unique about this grenade compared to the gas grenades is it's entirely mechanical. It uses a spring to throw the BBs instead of gas. So it would be a lot cheaper to reuse, assuming it didn't break the first time you throw it, which is what happened to me. To give you an idea how this works, hopefully you can see on here, you can remove the pin. Now it's live. When you throw it, the handle comes up. This is actually attached to it. There's a little device in here that senses when it's hit something, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of trigger it so you can see what happens. And you can see these little wells here. When you fill it up from the bottom, the BBs go into this, and these trays throw the BBs when it goes off. So you can see mine is missing one of the bottom pieces, which holds the bed down. I did manage to recover it. Now what's happened is this has a little metal bar here, and that's essentially what holds it into the body of the grenade down here. You can kind of see the seam here. This is not all one piece on the bottom. And this seam is where that metal piece forced its way out. Now, the bar is much wider than that. I don't really think there's any way you could force that back in there. Obviously it's kind of cheap. At this point I think I'm just going to chuck it up as a loss. I did manage to get the throw, or it did go off and it broke on video, so I'm going to go ahead and show that now.
Hit! Hit!
I need
Oh,
some
shit.
ammo. Okay,
Yeah, here, I had to go grab my grenade out of the Connex.
I got 4 fucking kills with this.
Yeah, dude, called it. Check this out.
Oh, the immersion. The immersion. Immersion. Immersion.
I don't even know how the fuck you get that back in there.
You should have ran it. Like I said, I got 4 kills with it. So
How the fuck did it come out? Oh,
It's
exactly.
Yeah, it sure did.
Oh, good
I
back
bought
to
it because it was 12 bucks on e-bike, and that shit snapped
Yes.
right the fuck out.
Got 12 bucks worth of use out of it.
Oh, it went off once and it was magnificent, but other than that,
Oh.
you see what I mean? It's like, it snapped out,
Yeah,
but it's gonna be hard as
yeah.
fuck to push that back in there.
So, overall, even at $15, I don't really recommend this. When it went off, it did work well, and I got a kill with it. It did break after that one throw, though. Now, as you can see from the video, I did throw it overhand, and I threw it pretty far. Maybe it worked better if you were playing only in grass fields. Not sure how well that would trigger the grenade to go off, though. They're still on sale for, I think they're $12 now on e-bike, so if you want to take a chance on it, go ahead and pick one up. They are available there. But that's my review. Thanks for watching, guys.